Kia ora team, I'm Mike Jameson, Enterprise Sales Director at HP. I'm thrilled to be announcing Digital Manufacturing Partner of the Year. Digital manufacturing is an exciting and fast-growing area of our business, and we're pleased to introduce a new category this year to reflect that importance within our partner community. The nominees are RQ Group, Computer Letter, and Currys Group. And I'm delighted to announce that the winner is Computer Letter. Computer Letter has been an HP partner for 18 months, and in that short time, they've made such an impact. As Sign and Graphics wide format printer specialists, it's Computer Letter's superior service delivery that really sets them apart. Their dedication and willingness to go above and beyond for customers shows through in all their interactions and is reflected in the long-standing and quality relationships they have within the industry, stretching back to their beginnings in 1982. Computer Letter collaborate with HP to ensure outstanding service and supply every time. They are problem solvers and lateral thinkers, and we love the way they help us tell our story. Another important alignment between HP and Computer Letter is their commitment to the environment and their sustainability practices. They're very advanced and engaged in this space. HP is incredibly proud to work with the team at Computer Letter, and we're delighted to see them win this inaugural award.